Facing the frustrating error establishing a database connection on your hosting or website? Don't panic. In this video, I will walk you through a simple, step-by-step process to troubleshoot and fix these database connection issues quickly, so you can get your site back online in minutes. Whether you are a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this 2026 guide is designed for exactly that. If this video helps you fix your site, please smash that like button and subscribe for more essential web hosting tips. Let's get right into it. First things first, you need to log in to your Hostinger account. Once you are on the main dashboard, navigate to the specific website that is showing the database error. Click on the dashboard button for that site to open up its individual management panel. Now that you are inside the dashboard, look for the section labeled Databases and select MySQL Databases. This is where we verify that your site's foundation exists. You need to confirm that both the database name and the associated database user are present. If you see them listed, great. That confirms the database itself hasn't been deleted. Next, we need to inspect the configuration file that connects your website files to that database. Navigate back to the main dashboard menu and select File Manager. From there, head straight into the public_HTML folder. This is where your core WordPress files live. Look for the file named wp-config.php. Right-click on it and select Edit. This is a critical step, so stay focused. Inside this file, you are looking for 4 specific lines: DB name, DB user, DB password, and DB host. You need to cross-reference every single one of these values with the details you found in the MySQL Databases section from earlier. Often, a single typo or an outdated password here is exactly why your site is failing to connect. If the password or host address is incorrect, simply update them with the accurate credentials that match your database panel exactly. Once you have verified that every character is correct, make sure to click the Save button at the top of the editor. After you save those changes, go back to your website and refresh the page. In almost every case, this simple verification process fixes the connection error instantly. It's really that straightforward. If you followed these steps and your site is back up and running, please support the channel by hitting the like button and subscribing. It really helps us keep producing these free guides for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.